It seems as if uMpumi bafethu akakhuzeki namanje and she is still blindfolded by uGabriel. Gabriel bafethu is not interested anymore kuMpumi, but uMpumi bafethu ifaka ngeforce. So uWendy noMaruna bazamile ukumkhuza uMpumi regarding ama-nominees ama-Gospel Awards yemisebenzi kaMpumi. So uMpumi is a songwriter bafethu and part-time artist, but mostly a songwriter, ubhalela abantu amaculo lapha eRevelation Records. So uGabriel credited himself ngomsebenzi kaMpumi. So which means uMpumi is likely not to get ama-royalties wakhe, you understand? But uWendy-ke bafethu is concerned and she is worried ukuthi a snake uGabriel is benefiting from uMpumi and uMpumi akaboni. But still-ke uMpumi, she thinks everyone is actually gossiping about her or is negative about her. So moving on ke bafethu ke uGabriel is still celebrating the weekend. We celebrate noMsizi. So uMsizi ke bafethu naye ke had questions. He was confused ukuthi why Gabriel happy kanje. And uGabriel is still happy about yena noFelicia having to chill together nge-weekend. So Gabriel has hopes ukuthi yena he can go back noFelicia, but I don't think that's the case. I think it's a once-off situation because Gabriel is too excited ukuthi yena he has done his mission, useqedile uzobuyelana noFelicia anytime he wants. But ke there was a question asked by uMsizi ukuthi since wena ke boss uzobuyelana noFelicia, what's going to happen in Revelation Records? Kuzongenzala nge-Revelation Records because remember guys, Genesis and Revelation is one, and these are two different record labels that have beef with each other. So Msizi's concern is ukuthi is his job safe? You understand that because wayesebenzela iGenesis manje usesebenzela uGabriel. Wathi uGabriel no, uMsizi must not worry, his job is still safe. Yabona yena akanake umsebenzi wakhe being a producer. Okunye uGabriel uzokusotha yena noFelicia umngaki. Moving on ke bafethu, so uBonko is a busy man as you can see lapha ku laptop yakhe. But ke things are not really good between yena nomama wakhe regarding uMaruna. So uBonko does not know ukuthi uFelicia is planning to ship out uMaruna, but ke uBonko ke ubefuna ukukhuluma noFelicia like mother, like son to mother, you understand that, but mother and son type of conversation. And ke uBonko ke let his heart out, wamtshela uFelicia confess ukuthi uyamthanda yena uMaruna ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakhe, we understand that, and he believes ukuthi things change, you understand that, and also uFelicia should allow the way he feels for uMaruna. But ke uFelicia bafethu does not seem to allow uBonko to go back to uMaruna. uFelicia siyasonke bafethu akamthanda uMaruna, uyamzonda uMaruna ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke, you understand. So uBonko had to clap back uFelicia amtshela ukuthi he does not have to be a boy kuFelicia, because that seems as if he is always a boy, a young boy kuFelicia, yabo. So he is a man and he can make his own decisions. So Felicia mtshelile ukuthi if he wants to behave like a man, he should act like a man. Ayeke kube umfana lo awuyena. So moving on bafethu, uIshmael is very guilty because uBlue, if not Mercedes, I think uBlue, those ladies uBlue no Mercedes, those are their names. I discovered that today. So Blue kissed uIshmael, we understand that last episode, yabo. And Ishmael akazizwa kahle, he feels as if he is cheating and he is dishonest kuNobuhle. So Ishmael wants to tell Nobuhle the whole truth ukuthi uBlue kissed uIshmael, but that's gonna land him into trouble. And noma fitsotso ke uyasho lapha ukuthi he doesn't have to do that because it's gonna uzokhuphula i-blood pressure kaNobuhle. Secondly, uzoyifaka enkingeni uIshmael labo amoshe i-relationship yakhe anayo noNobuhle. So he mustn't do that ukuthi ahamba ayoziceba lapha noNobuhle, because it's gonna cause more tension, it's gonna cause more trouble futhi lapha no-relationship yabo. So moving on ke bafethu, Gabriel ufika ney'mbali ke lapha na. Gabriel has a treat for Felicia and Felicia seems to be amused, uyabo, ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani. uGabriel wafika over and over. So uGabriel ke was hoping ukuthi uFelicia amnike a chance yesibili, we understand, and ushilo uGabriel ukuthi they don't have to worry about the kids because the kids are now grown-ups, yabo. So it's a thing they can handle together, but uyacela ukuthi bawubuyelane, yabona, like they were, yabona, be a healthy relationship, be a healthy marriage, yabo. So he pleaded with Gabriel lapha ukuthi he hopes one day, yabona, uFelicia does not have to think about it same time or she does not have to answer same time, but she can actually think about it and answer when she is okay, yabona. When she wants to answer, she can answer, you understand. But uFelicia did not seem like a person who would agree, yabona, but also told Gabriel ukuthi uGabriel must not have his hopes high, because that won't happen again, you understand? Even if uGabriel ifuna lento le baby steps, baclimb ama-steps ukuthi babuyelane, but it won't happen. So uGabriel ke had his hopes high, but I think this is a rejection yabona coming from uFelicia, because uFelicia umtshelile uGabriel ukuthi it was just a once-off thing yabona nge-weekend. She was just honoring the anniversary, plus it was just some weakening, nothing much yabona, so they won't get back together yabo. So continuing bafethu, uBlue noMercedes can have a gig. So apparently these guys are actually DJs. These ladies are actually DJs or MCs, yabo. And you can ngaphe uIsmail ke vena ye artist. But uBlue noMercedes are inviting Ismail to the event. You understand that? And yeah, they'll give them a special treatment. I think VIP treatment or whatsoever. So Ismail is still worried about that kiss he received from uBlue, whereas Mafitoto is very excited to go to the gig. Uyabona Mafitoto akahlushwa ilutho, wena nje ujabulile ukuthi uzoya kwi-gig, uyabona everything is gonna be okay, uyabona laphana kwi-gig. And ke ngombona bafethu Mercedes is charmed by Mafitoto, of which I think Mercedes also likes Mafitoto, and Mafitoto is kind of interested about Mercedes ngoba nje adedlalela laphana uMafitoto, uyabona trying to be touchy, trying to be playful laphana ku-Mercedes and whatsoever, you understand? So Ismail ke bafethu had to own up ukuthi yena unentombi yakhe ayithandayo and afuna ukuba honest kuyona, you understand? But ke Mafitoto ke didn't seem as if like befuna ukuthi abatshele ukuthi he is loyal to one girl, you understand? So uBlue ke bafethu kissed Ismail again, uyabona, and uBlue shilo ukuthi she doesn't mind ukuthi Ismail unentombi, I mean, so they can still vibe together, you understand? Into yamqabulayo futhi uBlue uIsmail ke uvuke asuka laphana ethi yena uyacheat, into ayaziyo ukucheat, and he is not honest about it. Akayithandi lento yokuthi uBlue amqabule because he is loyal to one girl, yabo. So moving on bafethu, uGabriel uvakashelwa uMpumi neGrosa. uMpumi is forcing herself into Gabriel, and uGabriel usiyamtshengisa impela ke manje. I think these are the signs yabo utshengisa uMpumi ukuthi akasamfuni eduze kwakhe. uGabriel uzifunela uFelicia, akasamfuni uMpumi. uMpumi is not Gabriel's material anymore, Gabriel's type anymore, but uMpumi ke keeps on putting herself and forcing herself uGabriel, you understand? And uyasho kuPhumi laphana ukuthi ifamily yakhe ijealous, ifamily yakhe about her having to date with Gabriel, and she believes ukuthi Gabriel is still her man, of which I don't think so. Yabo, because uGabriel bafethu did not even utter a word, yabona, belokhu ayiphuzela nje iwhisky Gabriel ebekhuluma uMpumi was yapping ebenu uGabriel uyiphuzela iwhisky nje laphana. He is not even bothered ngento eshiwo uMpumi. So moving on ke bafethu, as you saw in the last episode, uFelicia no Thandi spoke, but uFelicia had like a request kuThandi ukuthi they should ship out uMaruna out of the country. uFelicia doesn't want to see Maruna ever again in the country. So uThandi has her final response, yabo. Uyasho uThandi ukuthi she can't do that, yabo, and she doesn't believe ukuthi uFelicia, a whole Proverbs 31 woman, is doing such disowning people and shipping people out of the country njengoMaruna, I understand? So Felicia had to come up and clap back, yabona, nge-anger. She was furious to actually hear ukuthi she is called a Proverbs 31 woman, and it's unlike her having to do what she's doing, yabo. But ke uFelicia umtshela uThandi ukuthi she is gonna ship out, she's gonna do the mission. Athanda angathandi uThandi uzoyenza la mission liyana, because uGabriel semithise ama-artist ase-Genesis wajola futhi naye futhi noThandi, yabo. So uFelicia is gonna make sure ukuthi uThandi uyayenza into leyo request again. So moving on ke bafethu, Maruna is back in the studio noBonko. So Bonko was on the keys, yabo, teaching Maruna the new song that they have to do. So I didn't know ukuthi the soundtrack here Genesis uma ingena noma iphela iculo Maruna, and that is the song they were working on, yabona. Umoya wami ukhala kuwe and whatsoever. I can't literally sing the song because I can't sing vele. I was gonna, yabona, just to actually give extra emphasis, but I can't sing. But that's the song. Len ngoma nje ingena imangena Genesis iculo Maruna. That's the song they were working on benobonko. So Bonko's on the keys, taught Maruna a hook, taught Maruna a few verses and how she can actually like sing in and get in the melody yengoma, you understand? So they were working on that song. As you can see, Maruna has the book, my lyrics, book la corner. So currently they're working on that song. You understand? And I think it's all going well, Abona, because Maruna hasn't been in the boot for so long regarding her having to go through a lot and having a lot of problems. Abona. So she is back in the booth, manje, officially. We understand. So as you can see in the picture, Abona na uyazama ukungena kwi-tune line ngobonke. Understand? They're trying to sing the lyrics well. Yabona. So continuing bafethu Gabriel Nambono iphuzele whisky wadaka walala. This guy is drunk. Yabo, he's drunk and he fell asleep. So Mpumi had to watch Gabriel sleeping. And then I don't know what she was doing lapana to pete in it. I don't know what she was doing with that thing in her hand, near marker foot, we understand. So she took Gabriel's hand and I think she marked Gabriel's hand or whatsoever. We understand. I don't know what was happening lapana. I'm confused because it seemed as if she was on a mission on something. She's trying to do something footing a ring Gabriel. Because she took her hand and Gabriel couldn't feel Pumi's hand, you understand? So Pumi did something lapana. I did not see if nakhona ukuthi yini lento lena because bekungabonakala kahle ukuthi uwenzani. Uyabona, and I'm curious to know ukuthi yini ehlenza ngesandla sika Gabriel. What does she want to do? What mission is she on top of? Understand? And I hope it's going to be worth it because hey, uGabriel akasamfuna uMpumi and uMpumi does not seem to realize ukuthi Gabriel akasamfuni. Yabo, she is actually used by this guy. So moving on, Gebafethu, Fiso, no, Ishmael honored the invite ya Bloom no Mercedes, so they went to their party, you understand? As you can see, kumnandi nje bagqokile abantu bagezile bahle, uyabona baphethe ama drinks, you understand? So they are at Blue and Mercedes' party, you understand? So they had to go and announce Blue and Mercedes, okay, sharp, they are about to play and they have a special surprise and they have with special people. Those special people they are with, obviously, Ishmael, Nae, Mafutot, we understand? And these two DJs actually remixed ingoma ka Ishmael. So khona ingoma Ishmael yabona epic album yakhe or ingoma ade ikhiphile yabo. These guys labo DJ laba remixed the song. Laba bantu babona nje kwisithombe yabo, they were holding the mic, yabo, having to announce their work and how they work and whatsoever. So it was like a good occasion yabona for everyone. Yabona at least ke manje Ishmael was not actually guilty regarding having to be kissed by Blue. We understand, but ke yambona mafito so bafethu ayidansela lapana. All these guys are actually having a good time. So as I said ke bafethu uBonko no Maruna are working on a song. So processing bafethu ke was a good one yabo, because uBonko trained Maruna ukuthi uzothina ingomeni, the lyrics and whatsoever, the words and everything. So as you can see guys, Maruna now is on her headset yabona yonke into. She is recording the song officially. And le soundtrack engikhuluma ngayo bafethu is exactly Maingena Genesis. She sang it like that. Yabo Umaruna, you understand? So I'm glad to see these guys both back in the studio, but I'm just scared to see how this whole thing Yuguti Bamshipe out Maruna is gonna blow out, because they both don't know we are going to Felicia is working on that. Alena bafethu kuBonko cried when Maruna was singing the song. Ukhalile because bimthinta ngaphakathi, you understand, uBonko as the producer, we understand. Ekugcineni kuBonko ugcina emtshelile Maruna ukuthi uyamthanda ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakhe. Maruna ke was actually happy to hear that. Wase amtshela ukuthi that's the one, meaning ukuthi she killed her verse yabona, ulenze kahle verse lakhe on top of the beat. So the song is actually according is on good hands yabo. So bafethu, that's what happened with episode namhlanje. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Danko.